Edgar Dale's cone of experience.
Edgar Dale's inactive learning is a method of teaching that involves learning through experience, action, and exploration. Learners are encouraged to engage in physical activities that allow them to directly experience and interact with the subject matter. For example, if students are learning about the concept of gravity, an inactive learning approach might involve having them perform experiments to observation the effects of gravity. This hands-on experience can help students develop a deeper understanding of the concept than if they were just reading about it in a textbook. Inactive learning is related to English language teaching in several ways. First is that language learning involves understanding the rules and structures of a language and able to use it in real-life situations. An inactive approach to teaching English involves having students engage in role-playing activities or conversations where they must use the language in a practical way. Second is through the use of multimedia and technology. For example, students could watch videos or listen to podcasts in English and let them participate in activities that require them to apply what they've learned in a practical way. This can help to make language learning more engaging and relevant to students' lives and can help them to develop the confidence and skills they need to use the language effectively in real-world situations. Edgar Dale's symbolic model is a teaching method that uses symbols and visual aids to enhance the learning by making abstract concepts more concrete and memorable. In English language teaching, symbolic representation can be used to help students understand new vocabulary, grammar concept, and organize their writing. It can also make learning more engaging and effective for their students. Edgar Dale's iconic model is a visual presentation how different forms of communication convey information. The model suggests that the more closely a form of communication resembles the original object or experience being communicated, the more effective it is in conveying information. The model categorizes forms of communication into different levels, ranging from the most concrete and sensory to the most abstract and symbolic. The levels in the iconic models are as follows: realia or real-life object that can be touched, seen, and manipulated. Examples: toys, foods, and everyday objects. Pictures, two-dimensional representation of real-life objects, including drawings, photographs, and videos. Maps and diagrams. Semantic representation of information, including maps, charts, and graphs. Exhibits, real-life representation of information such as museum exhibits or scientific demonstrations. Dramatization, live or recorded performances that bring information to life such as plays, skits, and documentaries. Written symbols, written language, and other symbolic representations such as signs, logos, and icons. The use of written symbols such as text-based exercises and assignments is also an important language teaching. However, the iconic model suggests that the use of visual aids can help learners more effectively understand the written information. Therefore, English language teachers should strive to use a variety of visual aids in their lessons to help learners achieve their language learning goals.